Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate a TELSTRA prepaid SIM card. To activate cards, select your service type and follow these. You will need internet access and a device to use for activation. Go to your email account, your ID, and the SIM serial number or device package. When you start the activation, log into your existing account. This will ensure your new service will be visible in My TELSTRA. You will need access to that service to receive the verification code. Continue using your old SIM until activation is complete. When asked, what do you want to use for your service for mobile broadband activation, select data only, and for mobile phone activation, select calls, text, and data. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.